Right, hello. I hope everyone's having a grand holiday. We're just going to have a little run through of what happens in the library software within EdAdmin, or the library system within EdAdmin, I suppose I should say. And eyes down for a full house. Here we go. So you find yourself logged into EdAdmin. Not these first three dots up here, but the second three dots here. You tap that, and that gives you an extra menu, an Easter egg menu, I suppose the children would want us to say. And let's first of all, so we've got library and library search, obviously what we're interested in here. Let's just tap library search. I'll open a new window, and it does what it says on the tin. So if I put, well, let's just put Harry in there. If I put Harry in there, then various Harrys, Harry and the Dinosaurs, Harry and Hope, and Harry Potter. These are the books with Harry in the title that we have in the library and are currently in stock. Now, this URL up here can be reached from anywhere. It's a public URL, so you can look at it in your smartphone, you look at it on your browser at home, so the children can see what's available in the library and how many copies right now. Now there should be cover art here, and that's proving a hassle to get in here. We'll keep working on that, and hopefully eventually that will work. So it's a pity that's not working, but we'll get there in the end. So all books are in the system now from, well, all the books that I've seen are in the system from JP to SP, the JP reading room, all the way up into the SP to the main library, as you might say. This hopefully will allow us to do some clever things with data further down the line, but we'll talk about that a little bit more in a second. So let's imagine you're in the library, you've got to do some stuff. So now you want the library. It's slightly esoteric, this bringing books in and out, but what you need to do is you need to be in this tab up here, circulation. So we go to circulation, and this will bring everybody up by their names beginning with A, I guess, something like that. So that's a bit painful. You want your class, so you drop class down, and let's have, yeah, 6H, we're hanging around there. And that's handy because there's someone with a book that is out and overdue. I'll replace this afterwards, honestly. But if we're going to add a barcode here and copy that, we can bring this book back in. So I'll show you how to bring the book back in. That is independent of the naming conventions. I've already made that sound confusing. All you do to bring a book back in is click check-in up here. You won't see all your classes, but you'll enter either using the scanner. If you want to use the scanner, just plug it into your laptop that you'll have bought to the library to check your books in and out. Just plug it in and fire it at the barcode. But not all the books have barcodes that work on them. You will often find numbers like this written in the books. That is the barcode. Again, that's something like painting the fourth bridge. We've got to start and get going through properly. We've got to label all the books, but we will get there in the end. And in the meantime, if you find a number like that, a 6-digit number, then that's a barcode for the book. And then you just hit return. You put that in there, hit return, and there is that book back. So let's suppose she wants to take the book back out again. So we'll go back here. We'll go back to, that brings all the pupils up. We'll go, oh, 6H, I think, wasn't she? Yeah, there she is. That was lucky. So that same barcode, now you'll either beep, fire the scanner at it, and it'll appear there, or you'll type in the number, as was that. And so we'll hit return here. And then once we've hit return, don't forget to check it out now. So that's a book in and a book out. So if we tap there now, there we are. She's got that book. Has anyone else got a book here? No, not at the moment. What a great class. What a great class I selected there for getting their books back in before the holidays. Let's see if there's a not so great class. It's the 7s tend to be not. That's better. That's more like it. Of course, a lot of them have got books out that they got out just before we went on holiday. There we are, 7V, you have been told. Now, let's go back to 6H just because it'll be less embarrassing. Up here, top right, can you see that little graph thing here? If you click that, you can, well, we haven't got a current bar now. Let's check out the report for the class. So, oh look, so these barcodes here have come from the scanner, whereas these have been written in the books. So you'll see the difference there. But you can see what the children have read now, and that's pretty cool. And we can change the reporting, and eventually we'll be able to show all the books they've had from JP through to SP, which I think would be quite interesting. Maybe I need to get out more. What else do I need to tell you about? I think that's basically it. Let's whiz through that roughly again. Let's take ourselves back to the dashboard. That login, there we are logged in. So we come up to the three dots top right there where it says more. If we're checking books in and out, we want library. If we want to see what's there, library search will do us. And that was this URL here, and that URL works from any device. And Joe Fly very cleverly. I hadn't thought about it before. What esoteric thing can we think of? Oh, I know this will be controversial perhaps. Let's see if we've got any books with dwarfs in there. Yeah, we do. So of course we do. Snow White, the Seven Dwarfs, and I don't know, Two Silly Dwarfs. Oh look, that's cool. They're both in the JP reading room. So you can see that here. Say location, JP reading room, one copy of Snow White and one copy of Two Silly Dwarfs. So let's try something. So that's where they are. You see that location? That was handy, I did that. So let's go Harry Potter. Actually, I don't know if I've put location into the main library. There we are. See location? So main library. So that give you another little choice. Anyway, gosh, didn't I go off topic there? So that was library search. So let's say you want to have books in and out. We go to library, then we go to this one, circulation. So we go circulation, then we select our class, whichever class it is, and then we either take books out. So when you take a book out, you select the person, say it's Phoebe, then you enter the barcode, then you check out now. When books come back in, you just hit check in, and you can be anywhere. You don't have to select. If you've got a pile of books being checked in, just hit check in. You don't need to worry about your class, and the barcode's in there, and then those books will come back in automatically. So that is a very quick run through of the library system. We'll talk about it more when we meet again. Charles for now.